If you're a Photoshop enthusiast but find yourself facing constraints due to limited RAM on your PC, worry not. Today, I'll introduce you to a website that serves as a robust Photoshop alternative. So, without further ado, let's dive right in, my friends. So friends, first we have to go to Google and then we have to search Photopia. Then we can see many links, but we will first click on the first link. And wow, you can see Photoshop's interface here in Photopia. So click on New Project. So friends, if you now, this is the new Photoshop. Okay, as we conclude our journey into discovering an alternative to Photoshop, I hope you've found this information valuable and helpful. Remember that technology is continually evolving, and there are often innovative solutions to common challenges. Whether you're a professional graphic designer or just enjoy photo editing as a hobby, having options like online image editors can be a game changer when you are faced with hardware limitations. So, go ahead and explore the website we've discussed, and may your creative endeavors be as boundless as your imagination. Keep creating and never stop expressing your unique vision through your art.